Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish in an air fryer. First, select a firm white fish, such as cod or tilapia, ensuring it is fresh. Next, pat the fish completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that perfect crispy exterior. Finally, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing it for optimal cooking. Now let's get that fish ready for flavor. Lightly brush both sides of your fish fillets with a small amount of olive oil. This helps the seasonings adhere and promotes browning. Then, season generously with your preferred spices, perhaps some garlic powder, paprika, and salt. For an extra crispy finish, you might consider a very light coating of breadcrumbs. It's time to cook. Carefully place your seasoned fish in a single layer within the air fryer basket, avoiding overcrowding. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, gently flipping the fillets halfway through the cooking time. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety, using a meat thermometer. Your delicious air-fried fish is now ready. Serve it immediately while it's hot and flaky, accompanied by fresh lemon wedges for a bright, zesty flavor. This fish pairs wonderfully with a side of roasted vegetables or a crisp, refreshing salad. For a final touch, garnish with some fresh herbs such as parsley or dill to enhance its presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.